Hi, everybody. You guys asked me to make videos to help you guys with questions to get ready for the tests and assessments. So here's one. The first question that I added to your study guide was this one that involves using Venn diagrams. So I'll start reading it for you guys, and then we can work this question out together. So here it goes. An advertising agency finds that of its 170 clients, 115 use television, 110 use radio, and 130 use magazines. Also, 85 use television and magazines, 75 use television and radio, 95 use radio and magazines, 70 use all the three. This is a very important information because when I say that 70 use all the three, I'm basically talking about the intersection of the three of them. And that's what I should always start with. I should always start with the intersection. And in this case, I'm talking about three different sets. So now comes the question, how many clients use television and magazine but not radio? Okay, let's analyze it together. So here I have, what is the number of people, of clients that like the three of them? Television, radio, and magazines. So 70 people, and that's what I should start with. I have my set of television, set of clients that like magazines, set of clients that like radio. And this part right here is the part that says 70. So I know for sure that this area contains 70 people. I want to know how many of my clients use television and magazine, but not the radio. So television and magazine is this area. I know this total number of people here is 85. But if I take out the 70 that also like radio, what I have left is 15. And this is my answer. It's that simple. Game over. If I want to, by the way, this symbol represents universal set, either this one or this one. And the universal set is here on this rectangular area. The universal set is the 170 clients, okay? If I want to analyze this question as a whole, well, I can check all the values 25, 20, 10, plus 15, plus 70, plus 5, plus 25. And where did I get these numbers from? Well, they told me that the number of people that like magazine and radio is 95. So magazine and radio, this area right here. But I know that I have 70 here. So 95 minus 70, 25. I just found this area right here. The question is not asking for that. It's just an extra that I'm telling you. So here, the other intersection that I have is 75 between television and radio. So this is television and this is radio. So this area right here, the total is 75. But I know that this area right here contains 70. So 75 minus 70, the answer is 5. Okay. Now, this guy here, television and magazine. Oh, we have done this already. It was the first one. And now if you ask me, Mr. Harley, how many people like one only? So for instance, how many people like only television, only magazine, only radio? Well, I have to look at the whole number of television. The question told me that 115 people like television right here. So I gotta get the whole number, which is this blue area, and the blue area contains 115 people. But I already have in this area right here, 15 and 70, I already have 85. And here in this small area, 5. So 15 plus 70 plus 5 gives me 90. If the total number is 115 and I take 90 out, what I have left is 25. The same logic is applied in all these areas right here. So the total number of magazine, the clients that like magazine is right here. 130 people like magazines. Okay, So I get 130, which is this whole area, and I take away 15, 70, and 25. 15, 70, 25, which makes 110. 130 minus 110, 20. The same logic here. And then if you add all these numbers together, so the blue, as you remember, 115, plus 20, plus 25, plus 10 makes 170 clients, which is my universal set. And that's it. See you in the next question.